Hey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, we're going to be making a really fun embellishment for Easter. I'm going to show you guys how to make these fun, super cute embellishments for Easter. You can make these with the children or you can make them for yourself. They're really fun, cute, and super duper easy. Okay, so let's get started. What you're going to need are going to be some of these bunny picks that I got at the Dollar Tree. I got these a while ago, but I found them and I thought they were really cute to create some really fun embellishments or even like picks, like a nice little table decoration or something. So I pick a few of these up. We're going to use them in this project. So pick your pick from your little pack. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually pull out the little stick from the pick very carefully and very gentle, because it's very it could be a little bit difficult to do, so be very careful and gentle, but you might need to use some force because this is really glued in there. Okay, sometimes when it's hard, you might have to use the scissors and kind of nip a little around the glue area, and then it'll just come out like that. See? And then the little bow that comes with the little pick, also very gently try to pull that out, because we're going to reuse the pick. We're going to reuse the bow back into the decoration that we're going to create. Okay? You could use this for further, like other projects if you want in the future, or you can throw them out. Whatever you want to do with them is fine. Okay, we're going to use some cupcake liners, obviously. I have two here. I have this beautiful pink cupcake liner that I got at the Dollar Tree, and then I have this beautiful floral one that I had forever. And we're just going to line these up one on top of each other. What I did here is I used this like metallic pink, and then I layered it with the floral. So you're going to scrunch your cupcake in the center just like that, and you're going to open it up, and you're going to create yourself a nice little embellishment like this. Okay? And we're going to add this right in the middle of that embellishment. So, some hot glue. And we're going to add this right in the center. And we're going to squish it in the center, giving the size that you like. I like my size like that. And you should get something that looks like that. Okay, very simple. Now we're going to hot glue our beautiful bunny right in front of the cupcake liner. You're going to add the bunny right in the center. Hold it for a few minutes, well, a few seconds, and then that should work. Now, your bunny has obviously a gigantic hole right there because that's where the pick was in to keep it together. But I made myself these really fun, beautiful little bows that are made out of tulle. I already showed you guys how I make these in my other videos. So I made one of these so I can actually add it to the bunny as like a little bow tie kind of look. So I'm going to hot glue this to the bunny in the bow tie area or the neck area right there, and I'm going to hold that for a few seconds, and that's going to actually do two things. It's going to cover the hole that we have there, and it's also going to give our bunny a really fun, cute, whimsical look. And there you have it. See that? What I also did is I added a pom pom right in the center of the bunny. So just get a pom pom. If you don't have pom poms, you can get buttons if you want. And just add a tab of hot glue and add it right in the center of the bow. And that's basically all you do. And you should get something that looks like that. Super cute. Okay, beautiful. So the few things that we are left over to do is basically two things. We're going to add, so remember I told you don't throw away the little bow that was originally attached to the pick, which is this one. We're going to add this little bow right in the little corner of the bunny, giving it some really fun, cute look to it. And just add a little bit of hot glue, and we're just going to glue that right in this corner over here. Just like that. Really, really fun and cute. And then we're going to add a nice little bling in the center of the cute little bow. I have these blings that I'm obsessed over. You guys already know, if you watch my videos, I've used these blings on all my Valentine's Day crafting projects, and I'm obsessed with them. So I'm going to use one of these beautiful blings right in the center of my little bow. And that's basically it, guys. That's all we did with this fun, adorable embellishment for Easter. Literally. That's it. That's all we did. And that's how they're going to turn out. They're so cute. Now, this one is a little bit shorter than this one. I'm going to just chunk this a little bit. It kind of bothers me that it looks a little bit shorter. Yeah, that's better. And there you have it. How cute are these? They're so cute. Now, if you notice, I did not put googly eyes on these. I was going to put googly eyes, but I changed my mind. I kind of like the way they look. I think they look so pretty and so simple. And I wanted to keep this as simple as possible, but I still give that cute look to it. So I think this really worked. It looks really fun. You can use them as picks if you want. You can also reuse the picks that we did here. You can actually reuse them and add them as picks, or you can actually add them as an ornament to a Easter tree, or you can add them as kind of like little pretty artwork for the wall. Whatever you want, you can do with this. You can even add them as a little banner. You can maybe do like a nice Happy Easter banner and then have these two on the side. I mean, literally, you can do millions of things with these. But I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make these. I hope that this gives you some good ideas. I was also, by the way, before I leave you, I started making these Easter's little signs. And I was going to actually add them to them. So you can also do that. If you have some like Happy Easter signs, you can also add them, you know, somewhere. And that kind of also gives that Easter vibe really to the embellishment, if you want. All right? I love you all. I hope you enjoy. Please be safe. Stay home, everybody, and be safe. Be careful. I love you, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you for stopping by. By the way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Mwah!